I'm going to grab the baking pan and we're going to use all these ingredients.
Go.
My butter is funny.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
You're funny too.
No, my butter is funny. It's a here it is spiral.
Okay. What are you gonna do first?
So, first my sister is gonna add the water.
Okay, go Vivi. Careful, careful. Up, up, up. All of it. Good job, Vivi.
Can I use all of this?
Yes. What is this?
It's
Can you read it? What it says?
baking powder,
Flour.
baking flour.
Yes. All of it. Careful, careful, careful. Careful. Yes, yes, yes. Go, 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 go. Hold it. Hold it. Not the plate, just the flour.
I know that.
Let's see. Ooh. I think it's good. Okay, what is next?
So my sister's gonna add this.
What is this?
Salt.
No, what is this?
It's baking powder.
Sure, her favorite. Come on, Vivi.
Your favorite?
Yes, the favorite.
My favorite, actually.
Good job, Vivi.
I'm gonna add all of this.
This is the salt.
Salt. Tick-tock.
Okay. Then,
Then my sister's gonna add
and they need to be in order, right? Can you help her with this? Because this is kind of complicated. This is a butter. Can you, the spoon needs to be full. So I'm going to help you a little bit. I'm gonna help you.
Not gonna do this.
There we go. It's a 1.
How many do I have to be?
2.5. Full, please. There we go. 2. And now you can use the half. Okay, you can use just.
Yeah.
I think it's okay. That's enough.
I'm gonna do that.
And Vivi's going to do the last one. Okay, Vivi? In the middle? Okay, kiddos.
I'm gonna go put it.
Okay. Put it. There we go. Is it stuck?
Close it.
Closed. Okay, now what do you need to do? We have to push the course. Let's see which course we have here. Yes, number 1. Let me see. Is that the one we want? Yes, white. And the course is number 1. Number 1. You can see over there. Usually, if you like something like a different bread, you can go up or just go down. But in our case, we need number 1 to make just regular white bread. Right, kiddos? Okay, and let's see, there is something else. Crust control. Do you like to be, like, see? Dark, light, or medium? Let's do medium, right? Because dark is gonna be probably too dark for us. And you both like a soft bread, right? So let's do just
No hard bread.
no hard, just
No hard bread.
yes, just medium is fine. And now I guess Vivi, can you push start, Mama? Right? No, right here. Push, and there we go. That's all.
I'm gonna watch.
Now, in 3 hours later, we're going to have our bread. And we're gonna show everyone what we got, right? Okay, see you later.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, look at this big bread that we made. It's so hot. So we just used this book on this page to make it.
Yep.
It's on page 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So, when we cut it, we'll see what's inside. Is it cool? It's time to cut the bread. Mom's gonna do it because kids can't touch the knives. And that inside, my mom is cutting it. Right now.
Oh.
See that crunchy sound?
Wow.
Jesus, it's so hot. It's hotter than inside. Hi.
Wow, it's beautiful.
It's hotter inside, guys.
It is beautiful. Is it tasty?
Very tasty.
Okay.
Yummy. So hot.
Is it?
Another knife.
Okay.
Not
Let's do. Wait. We cannot wait, right, guys?
Yeah, my sister and I are just eating that.
Okay. Here we go.
My piece.
Just enjoy it.
Hey,
Are you taking it away?
I don't like my piece. I don't like my piece, Mom.
You want a different one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna do this for
I'm
you.
gonna try one like that one.
Okay. How about this one?
Yeah.
You like this?
I
But it's very hot.
don't want to touch it.
Okay.
I don't want to touch it, guys.
Because it's very hot, right?
Yeah.
But it's very yummy.
Yeah,
Yeah?
but I'm really hot. Hot.
Okay. That's all. So our bread was sold.
Bye, guys.
It's a big success.
Yeah, and bye, guys.
Okay. Just don't forget